Uh, so basically, we've been discussing yesterday. We talked about how Kamsa sent Akrura to Vrindavan to bring Balram and Krishna to Mathura. Uh, but Brajvasis are not letting Krishna and Balram go because they miss Krishna so much. They're remembering all their pastimes from childhood pastimes with Krishna. Um, so
Mataji, they gopis will sit in front of the cart of Krishna and Balram. Mataji, they will not let Krishna and Balram to go.
Yeah, they were not letting Krishna go. If you saw this one, right? We were discussing all the yesterday. I don't know if you came to the group yesterday.
I didn't join Mataji. I joined and I left again.
Yeah. So that's okay. But all the gopis and Rajavasis, they didn't want to leave Krishna because they love Krishna so much. They cannot live without Krishna. Some people even left the material body and went back to Goloka because of the separation. But Krishna actually never left. He was always in Vrindavan. Only the four-handed Krishna, Vishnu left Mathura and Dwaraka. But Krishna in his eternal, what is it?
Mataji, after when Krishna went to Dwaraka, Mathura, he came again to Vrindavan to see Yashoda Maya, Mataji.
After a long time, after battlefield of Kurukshetra, after Mahabharata, everything is over. When Krishna was 125 years old, before he left this world, like he came and saw the gopis. That's why the Rath Yatra comes from Dwaraka. Like they bring Subhadra Maya, Balram, and Krishna. So yeah, they do come, but after a long time because gopis come to Kurukshetra, they please Krishna, like they ask Krishna, please come to Vrindavan, visit us once.
At that time, the gopis and the Yashoda Maya were alive.
Yeah, I don't know if they're alive, but I don't think I'm not sure. I have to check that. But they do say that all the Vrajavasis were waiting for Krishna and Balram. Yeah, maybe Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maya were waiting that time. Yeah. So today we will read where we left off. So can you read this paragraph? Akrura drove Lord Krishna here.
1 minute, Mataji.
Yeah.
Yes, Manish. Akrura drove Lord Krishna and Balram to the Yamuna river very quickly. Krishna and Balram went in for a swim and drink of clear water. They got up on the chariot again and rested underneath the shade of some big trees.
Yeah, so here Akrura is driving chariot. You see here, he's driving the chariot in the mean. Uh, to the Yamuna River very quickly. So they wanted to stay. They want to just take a dip of just a swim in the Yamuna River and then go from there. So go ahead and read the second paragraph as well.
Yes, Mataji. Akrura went into the Yamuna river when they rested. While he stood in the water, Akrura suddenly saw both Krishna and Balram in the water too. He was surprised. How can they be in the water now? When I just left them sitting in on the chariot. He thought amazed. He ran back from river to look again, and there they was sitting on the chariot as he had left them before. When he saw them on the chariot, he began to wonder, did I really see them in the water?
Yeah, so you can see that like Akrura was surprised, like how come the two brothers are in the water? He just left them on the chariot. Yeah, go ahead, read the next paragraph.
Yes, Mataji. He went back again and he went back again to the river. This time he saw Krishna and Balram and also many demigods, Siddhas, Charnas and Gandharvas all offered prayers to them. They stood with folded hands before Lord Krishna, who lay down on the lap of Lord Balrama, who had taken his form as Lord Seshanaga with thousands of hoods. Seshanaga is covered with blue clothes and his neck were in white, just like Balrama's. Krishna had 4 hands and his eyes were like the beautiful reddish petals of the lotus flower.
So you can see in this picture, you could see Narada, the four Kumaras, Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, all the Gandharvas, Rishis, so many Koti Devatas. So the Akrura could see all of these people. So we can see that we also don't have, we have people not only in this planet, other planets also, there are living entities. Not only there are different types of living entities. So everyone praying their obeisances and respects to Krishna or Vishnu.
Mataji, where is Balrama?
Yeah, Balrama is Anantashesha. Yeah.
Okay, Mataji.
So here, with folded hands and a humble voice, Akrura prayed, "Oh my dear Lord Krishna, let me pay my respectful obeisances to you because you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You are in the hearts of everyone, and no one can imagine how wonderful you are. You please watch over me and protect me." Akrura looked again, and then suddenly the Lord was gone. So he just prayed. He knows that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. And then he said that, "Please help me, please protect me." And then Krishna blessed him and went away. Akrura got out of the water and went to the chariot where Krishna and Balaram were sitting in the shade. He looked at them for a long time, surprised and amazed. Krishna asked him, "Have you seen something wonderful, Mama, Uncle?" Akrura answered, "My dear Lord, all the wonderful things in this world are given by you. So when I have seen you, I have seen all the wonderful things there are." Then Akrura got up on the chariot. So here we can say that like Krishna is the source of everything. If anyone sees Krishna, then he has seen everything. So Krishna's beauty is matchless. It's priceless. It cannot be compared to anything in this world. So Krishna asked him, "Did you see anything wonderful?" He says, "Yeah." And he thought in his mind, "I saw you. There's nothing more wonderful than anything else in this world." So, did you like this painting?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. So tomorrow we can continue on chapter 4, which will talk about more of Krishna and Balram visiting Mathura, next phase. So do you have any questions? Do you want to share any of your favorite part of this story, or anything on the Damodar Leela that you want to share? Anything?
I like that when the gopis sit there, not allowing Krishna and Balram to go to Mathura. I saw
Yeah.
in Sri Krishna Mataji in lockdown it came now.
Yeah.
They was not allowing Krishna and Balram to go.
Yeah. So Krishna tells them, don't worry, I'm here, I'll come back. So here you can see they're not even letting Akrura to move. They're not even letting horses to move, holding the wheels. So they're so dear to Krishna. Krishna loves them so much and so much. Radharani was crying.
Not allowing.
What is it?
Even their Krishna will also not allow him to go.
Yeah, his parents also were crying and sobbing and so much. Yeah. In the one time, Krishna's in Dwarka or Mathura, he asks his cousin Uddhava to go to Vrindavan and see his friends and gopis and parents, how are they doing. So when Uddhava comes, he sees that there's still like missing Krishna so much. Every single minute, every single second, they think of Krishna. So we can see in the Krishna book, Prabhupada describes that every minute gopis like always think of their wonderful times with Krishna. That's how they felt better. They were remembering Krishna more and more. Yeah. So
And even when Krishna is only dancing with Radha Rani, gopis will feel like that, and Krishna saw that, and he was dancing with all gopis and with Radha Rani also.
yeah, he expands himself. Yes. So yeah, but that's they just Krishna was very small. He was only 8 years old. But yeah, but they know that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. That's why they were in Golok. They were in Vrindavan. Is non-different from Goloka Vrindavan. So you can see here Nanda Baba, how he's serving his Nanda Baba and Yashoda Maya. How cute baby Krishna is, and you can see his friends. Playing with his friends in the Govardhan Hill. These are eternal pastimes. Keep on happening every day. There's no like in the Golok Vrindavan, it keeps on happening. Every day it's expanding. Every day, beauty of Krishna is increasing, beauty of Radharani is increasing, beauty of Vrajavasis over there, like people living in Golok in the spiritual world is increasing. Every day it's different there. Okay.
Yes, I love Radharani.
Yeah.
I love these Radharani's pictures, Mataji, which I kept
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yes.
Okay.